Friends over at ExtremeRate just sent us a care package with some goodies in it. Let's see what's in there. All right. There we are. Gonna cut this bad boy open. Ooh. All right, so what we got, first of all, we got a kit from ExtremeRate. This particular kit is, all right, beautiful. So it's actually a shell. It's a beautiful shell. Here we go. This looks, oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A beautiful shell. The first thing we got from Extreme. Shout out to ExtremeRate. Thank you, ExtremeRate, for sending these out over. So right now we got, this is some instant triggers. So this is the new triggers for the PlayStation. So Extreme sent me these as well. These are some thumbsticks. Actually, no, these are the new back buttons for the Xbox Elite controller. These are absolutely stunning. Thank you, ExtremeRate, again. So these are, let me see here what these are. Oh, I've been cutting everything up. But what are these? Let's see. All right, so I guess these are some triggers, trigger stop. Oh yeah, no, these are the front plate, the clicky front plate for the, you know, for the BDM030. So we're going to talk a little bit about this in another video, and we're going to expand on this a little bit more. So this is going to be a video later. All right, so that's another thing. What else we got here? We got, oh yeah, we got the kit. So this is the kit that we'll use to basically when you're opening up your item. So we're going to talk a little bit about this as well in a video. What else we got here? All right, so these are the back buttons, beautiful back buttons. These are for the DualSense edges. These are some other, all right, so these are the replacement thumbsticks for DualSense edges. All right. So they sent me a pink faceplate for the Xbox. So these are the swappable front plates. So they end up sending me all three of them. Shout out to ExtremeRate for sending this along. So this is the pink version. They got it in green. They also have it in this color right here, which is a nice purple color for the Xbox. These are pretty amazing. These are different colors that it comes with. All right, so these, they sent me these as well. So these are, oh yeah, these are the golden metal buttons that I requested as well. So they sent me these ones. These are metal, and these ones are for the Xbox, fully metal. These look absolutely stunning, by the way. Really beautiful. All right, what else ExtremeRate sent me? Let's see. Oh, here's another faceplate as well. So they sent me another one from Xbox. This is a red one. So we got red, we got green, we got all the colors. They send us all the colors, so check them out. So thank you for sending those over, Extreme. And can we give a shout out to ExtremeRate for the packaging though? The packaging is pretty awesome. Like their new packaging are just absolutely professional. Definitely the best game hardware company in the world. If you guys thinking of buying hardware, definitely check out ExtremeRate. These are for PlayStation. These are the metal buttons for the PlayStation. This right here is another, I believe it's another, could be another kit. Alright, so this is the back shell for the BDM040. And last but not least, this is another one. Alright, so this is the full kit for the DualSense Edge. So we're going to change the shell on our DualSense Edge to this one, the full clear kit. So they sent me everything I would need to basically install it. So I want to say thank you and a shout out to ExtremeRate for sending these over. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, can't wait to try it out in the video. Stay tuned for more.